It's the hardest thing I've ever done, setting up the workshop here, but it's the thing that I'm most proud of. There's an original idea, and Steve and I then play around with, drawing it. Does it look pretty? What sort of cushion fillings? Are we going to button it? Are we not going to button it? Is it going to be loose cover? Is it going to be tight cover? There's no right or wrong. There's no strict process. It's a lot of feeling.
Each customer order is made by hand. One of the good things about sofas and stuff is it's not mass produced. We make bespoke products. Each person in here has probably got 30 to 40 years experience in the trade. We use a lot of skill in the cutting where it's hand cut, pattern matching. In upholstery, everything's made by one person, it's not on a track system. That one person will do the full customer order. Whether it's bespoke requirements, that's followed through and that one person is making that sofa. It's hands-on, it's handcrafted. Most people know each other and they've been in the trade for that long, so there is a good feeling, there's a good family feeling.